Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Business Owner, Mr. and Mrs. Salesperson, are you tired of staying chained at your desk, waiting, hoping that the phone rings, hoping that someone's gonna call you so that you can tell them more about your product or service? Are you tired of using things like direct mail and networking meetings and all these things that take up a lot of time, a lot of resource, and a lot of your energy to communicate your message? What if I told you there was a way that you can effectively tell your story, improve your message, and get your targeted audience to pay more attention to you? What if I told you there was a way that you can live life on your terms? What if I told you that you can use video marketing as a means and a method to grow your business, to grow your brand, and to ultimately improve your bottom line? Now I know what you're saying. You're saying, Nick, video marketing seems tough. It seems complex. It seems complicated. I don't know if I have the ability to get in front of a camera and talk about my business. That's hogwash. We've made everything so simple. On our website at www.madeyoulookvideo.com, we give you free resources, tactics, ways that you can grow your business, ways that you can get in front of a camera confidently, effectively, that you can tell your story and grow your business. Join us now at www.madeyoulookvideo.com. Take advantage of the resources that we have there for you. Take advantage, poke around, peek around, look at our community. If you have any questions, comment on this video, let us know how we can help you. I can't wait to see all the great things that you do in your business using video marketing. We've made it simple. www.madeyoulookvideo.com.